What's my 2026 goal, and what are the 3 steps that I'm gonna take towards that goal? So my biggest goal for 2026 is to go deeper into the personal branding, right? I wanna get good at live streams. I wanna have more interaction with audiences live. I wanna build up an audience with whom to interact, answer questions. I wanna integrate eventually like kind of calls where, people would be able to call on a live stream, ask questions live. We would answer them not just through chat. That's one thing. But yeah, my biggest goal is to build my personal brand in 2026. Go deeper into that and launch more digital products, grow my email list, build more funnels, set up a sales system, have appointment setters, sales per people, figure out like that whole ecosystem. That's what I really want to move now towards, because I've realized that if you want to get rich and if you want to make more money, first and foremost, you should not rely on organic only. You should boost your things, like you should pay to play. So you have to spend money on ads, because that's the way you can just amplify your things, right? If you're going to be spending money on ads, you need to have some kind of a marketing funnel and a sales system in order to get money to have to spend. I will basically set up a marketing funnel. I'll set up a sales system. I will create more authentic, raw, engaging content, and I will amplify that content. I will buy ads into my sales funnels. I will kind of just grow my sales, grow my marketing, grow my audience, and take it more from there. So instead of now building someone else's business, I'm gonna build my own business, because I've been sending traffic to I've been creating content for various different like affiliate partners, and there's nothing wrong with that. That's like the easiest way to go about if you don't want to create your own digital products at first, if you don't want to figure out demand, none of this. But I feel like now I have a pretty good library of these assets that are generating money passively. If I cut costs for some time and then I just like set up a funnel, set up, sales system, I will be able to move into that direction more of, driving traffic to my own brand, building out my own business, and then reinvesting those earnings into more traffic, better content. It's like kind of like a flywheel, So I talked about this yesterday when we were on a walk. It was like you sell a digital product to get money. You reinvest that money into making better content and spending money on ads. That in turn generates better engagement, more eyeballs, and then it makes you more money. And then you just start to kind of like snowball and flywheel that. You know what I mean? So that's my big thing for 2026. Personal branding, more digital products, spending more money on ads, growing my email list, and that's going to be the main thing. So instead of building someone else's business and just using my time and energy to create content, I'm gonna be spending time, energy, but also money to build my own business. That's gonna be the primary thing.